welcome back to FridgeBot Friday. This week's episode is a montage showing updates from the last 5 weeks. We now have a working prototype robot, a model of the scale game piece, and a fabulous brand new cart. Using our school's CNC machine, we created a new frame for our robot. Our newest addition to our shop is 2 working Bridgeport Mills, donated to us from Detroit Management Services in Oxford, Michigan. These have helped our team make parts faster and more accurate. In our programming and CAD sections, we have figured most of the subsystems in the robot, including magnetic encoders, and have our entire robot CADed in Autodesk Fusion 360. The team has also entered our awards and is getting very excited for our upcoming competitions. We will be at Kettering Week 2, March 8th to the 10th, and the Lake Superior State University event, April 5th through the 7th. Last week, our team attended Week 0 at Oxford High. This was a great opportunity to work with our robot and see how it would perform. We figured out PID programming. This makes our robot more accurate and run smoothly.